Yeah, this is the GE model number is here, PDW, I don't know. Anyway, I had a problem washing over this dishwasher, and I guess somehow the symptom come and go, so I have to call in for the service. So, so this one you have to remove like this. See the, can you see it? Dang, sorry. quarter inch. So just to remove those two, just to avoid, don't need, then you can get to here, and there's a leakage around this guy come, and I found sorry, let me stop. So can you see this one? This is my glass. It's right here, and somehow I found this very loose and dripping water. And, the ones, it's actually pretty easy to address. So, yep, right here. It's not too much. Actually, it was like this, just like this, and cover the like this. So you can actually just pull out. Just pull, because of shape like this, plastic, you can just pull it. And this one saying, you can just over it. So you can now see this is just valve, water valve, clothing. Thing is, this one can easily remove. So you can easily turn around, remove. So this again, you can see up and down. So, oh my God. So you can see now here. So technically this valve was nothing problem. It was just a little loose. It's a little loose, that's it. But the point is there's a problem. So that guy had no chance because I was standing right beside on the hand. He put it back. He had to leave. No, he didn't even bother doing that. He had a chance, multiple chance. No water at all. I fix it. Damn. But he never. So what I'm trying to show you here, this. You see this one? You can change the height, but they didn't bother. They just do this one. So you can see the difference here. You can actually see. You can just turn around, change the height. But this guy didn't bother doing that. America, man, America.